In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I am Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment. In today's assignment, we have just like three files you may see. One is instruction file, one is solution file, and there is one supporting file. Okay. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is just getting open, you may see. Okay, click on enable editing. Then we have to just like zoom this. Okay, so before going to solve assignment step by step, first we go through whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. In today's assignment we have 17 points. You may see we have 17 points. Okay, so first we discuss the name of our assignment, that is XPXE19 Excel Chapter 8 CAP Assessment Employee Satisfaction. Project descriptions. Okay, you work as a data analyst for Cameo Marketing, a US-based web marketing company. Okay, you have been asked to conduct an employees satisfaction survey. As part of survey, you will collect sample data to help provide insight into employees' salaries, productivities within the three nations office, and to predict the growth of New York office client base by 2025. Okay, that was instruction, just like project description, that what we have to do in today assignments. That's not really matter, and the thing that we have to solve this graded part step by step. Okay, so first of all, we just open our Excel sheet that we have downloaded from Pearson. This Excel sheet. Okay, first we have to open the sheet. It is just getting open, you may see. Okay, simply click on enable editing. Okay, in today solution file we have three sheets. One is employee satisfaction, other is office data, third is customers. Okay, so here now we are moving toward question number 2, second question. First we will read instruction, then we will solve. Ensure the employee satisfaction worksheet is active. Okay, first we have to ensure that our employee satisfaction worksheet is active. Yeah, if that is open or active, then we have to use frequency function. We have to use frequency function to calculate frequency distribution of job satisfaction in column D. In a place your result in range G6, G5 to G9. Okay, here we have to put our result. So simply we have to put frequency function equal, then write free, press tab. Okay, open the formula. Okay, in data array we have to put this. From here we get what we have to put. We have to calculate frequency distribution job satisfaction in column D. This is, we have to put this there in first. Okay, and in bin array we have to use this one. Okay, now simply press OK. You may see our question number second is done, in which we have to calculate frequency. Now after solving question number 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3, first we will read instruction, then we will solve. enter a function in G12. Okay, first we have to find G12. Here you have to write G12, press enter. Okay, here we have to put formula. What formula we have to put? We have to calculate standard deviation of column C. Okay, we have to find standard deviation of column C. So for that we have to put equal sign, then STD, yeah, standard deviation. Then we have to find standard deviation of column C. This is column C. So we have to select the range. Okay, okay, that's into. Okay, this is done. You may see this one. We have to find standard deviation of column C. It is done. Then next, after solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. In question number 4, what we have to do, we have to enter a function in G13. Now we have to put formula in G13. It is already selected. Here we have to put formula. What type of formula we have to put? We have to calculate variance between salaries. We have to find variance. So our variance equal sign, then write variance. Okay, this one. Variance between salaries. These are the salaries, so we have to select salaries column. That's enter. Okay, that is variance between salaries. After that, now we are moving toward question number 5, sorry, after solving question number 4, in which we have to find variance between salaries. Okay, in question number 5, enter function in G14. Okay, we have to put function in G14. This is G14. Here we have to put function. What type of function? To calculate covariance of series, salaries and job satisfaction. Okay, in G14 we have to calculate covariance of salaries and job satisfaction. Okay, so here equal variance, sorry, covariance. Okay, open this. Now there are two arrays we have to put. One is salaries. Okay, here is, this is salaries, and other is job satisfaction. This is job satisfaction. That's simply okay. Okay, this is done. We have find covariance between salaries and job satisfaction. Okay, here is, and they just like help us that no, this is a sample of data, not population. Yeah, we have already used the sample formula. You may see we have used sample formula. Okay, so question number 5 is done. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 6. So before going to solve question number 6, remember that we are solving Pearson MATLAB solution assignment, that is XP19 Excel chapter 8 CAP assessment employees satisfaction. Okay, we have solved 1 to 5 questions step by step. Now we move toward question number 6. Remember, we have in this assignment how many points? We have 17 points. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 6. In question number 6, first we will read instruction, then we will move toward question number, just like solve. Enter function in F17. Okay, we have to put formula in F17. Okay, here we have to put formula. What type of formula we have to put? We have to calculate correlation coefficient between employer salary and job satisfaction. Okay, F17 we have to put formula correlation coefficient. Okay, here equal correlation correlation, okay, in which we have to find correlation between employee salary and job satisfaction. Okay, so then open this formula. Okay, in first row we have to give salaries. Here we have to give salaries, and in next we have to give job satisfaction. Okay, now simply press OK. Okay, I think so there is some problem with formula. Okay, now you may see our formula is correct. We have to find correlation between salaries and, you may see, salaries and job satisfaction. Okay, so question number 6 is done, in which we have to find correlation between employee salaries and job satisfaction. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 7. Ensure data analysis toolbar add-in is active. Okay, first we have to ensure that data analysis toolbar add-in is active. For that we have to just like click on file, option, and there add-ins, and here click on go. Now you may see analysis toolbar is active already. Okay, then use a data analysis toolbar to create histogram based on salaries column C. Okay, we have to create histograms. Click on data, and here is data analysis. There is histogram. Click on histogram and simply press OK. Okay, now in input range, what we have to give? We have to give input range based on salaries. Okay, so input range is salaries. And what is bin range? Use I4 to I9 as a bin range. Okay, we are already given, bin range is already given, so we have to simply copy bin range from here, Control C, and simply here we have to paste Control V. Okay, after that we have to ensure that cumulative percentage and column labels and chart output included in the result. Okay, these 3 points must be included: cumulative percentage, this one, chart output, and column labels. Okay, where is column labels? This one, labels. Okay, now place the result in K4. Okay, now we have to place the result in K4. So here is output result, and here we have to paste in K4. Simply write K4 there and press OK. Okay, our result is there. Now added the result text in K4 to display salaries if necessary. Okay, where is K4? This is K4. Yeah, it is already salaries. That's why they are saying if necessary. Okay, that was already done. Okay, in custom SAM, what we have done, we just first add data analysis toolbar. Okay, then after that, then we use histogram, and in histogram we just give range, salary range, and in bin range is already given there. Okay, and after that all putting ranges, then we just draw histogram and this one. So our question number 7 is done. So in this way we will solve question number 8 and 8 toward 16. For that If you need complete solution for this file, you may also contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. And if you haven't have WhatsApp, then you may also contact me on my Instagram ID or email ID. Remember that our deal will be price will be reasonable, and your result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable for full course, and your result will be 95% or above 95% in overall courses. And if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounts, so you can also contact with me. Okay, this time we just discuss XP19, Excel Chapter 8, CAP Assessment, Employer Satisfaction Assignment. We just discussed first 7 to 8 points. Okay, we will meet soon with our next assignment. Okay, take care, bye bye, and best of luck for your future. We will meet soon with our next assignment. Take care, bye bye.